Good morning, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and I'm working on the interior motor unit section. It's going to go with this Tyco GG1 shell, which we're converting to a P5a modified. So it's kind of like the predecessor to the GG1. It was mostly for passenger, but then it was struggling with longer trains, so they built a bigger GG1. So the different thing about it is it's supposed to have only 6 driving wheels. So this is the weighted engine. It's weighted with 1, 2, 3, 4 tire weights. They're not lead, some other metal, probably zinc. And we're going to recreate the directional lighting that would have been in the original unit from Tyco, which I probably have in one of these. Oh yeah, here it is. I cut it out. I saved it for, I could use this on another GG1 from Tyco. In other words, if I want to have an original with the lighting in their diode system. They have regular light bulbs and a diode. Instead, I have 2 LEDs. So an LED, just like a diode, only lights up in one way. So the point is I can make either one of these the front or the back, but when it goes in that direction, you want the headlight here to work, and when you go in this direction, you want that headlight to work. So we've got it wired. Let's see what happens. Let's see which direction it goes. Perfect. See, it's trying to go in this direction, and the light is on. And let's see when it goes in the other direction. Ooh. Why is it stalled? Oh no, what's wrong? Okay, that's good. Okay, good. Let's test it again. The wheels are just slipping, so it's not going to hurt it. And the light's working the other way. Uh-oh, let me drive off the table. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. We've got to get this all soldered up and then start to mount it inside the locomotive shell. Thanks for watching. Again, this is the P5a project. Still got a lot of other GG1 related projects. So, like that one right there, which they've been working on. And I got to get those front and rear trucks on. Hey, thanks for watching. This is a short one. Have a great day. Please like if you're enjoying this stuff, and subscribe to Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies.